So question 42 is, after tracing the path of a ray of light passing through a rectangular glass slab for four different values of the angle of incidence, a student reported his observation in tabular form as given below. The best observation is okay. So here a student has performed a experiment four times. Okay, experiment of, he has traced the path of a ray of light passing through a rectangular glass slab. Okay, so he get four readings. Okay, so we have to identify and check which one of the four is the best suitable or the most correct reading. Okay, so to find out answer for this question, first let us discuss some properties of the glass slab. So basically in glass slab, angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of emergence, that is I is equals to E. Okay, so let us first check this property in all these readings. Let me just take the highlighter. So in the case 1, I is 30, E is 29. Okay, so this is okay because there is always some minor errors while taking readings. Okay, so these are equal almost. Then 40 and 40. Okay, this is also obeying the law. Then third is 50 50. This is also obeying the law. Then fourth is 60 and 59. This is also okay. Okay, so all the four readings are obeying this first law, that is angle I is equals to angle E. Okay, so we have to choose another parameter to select the best option or the best reading. Okay, so second is the angle, is the refractive index. Okay, the refractive index of glass slab is around 1.5. Okay, and it is calculated basically, it is the proportion of sine I upon sine R. Yeah, let me explain it to you in the solution part more deeply. So it is a sine I upon sine R. Okay, we can find our refractive index by using this formula. Okay, so we just have to put all the values of all the four observation for R and I. Okay, so then after putting all the values, we have found that in the first case, after putting the values, the sine 30 and sine 19, this is the angle I and this is angle R, we are getting 1.5, which is the refractive index of glass. Okay, so this reading is satisfying all the laws of refraction of glass slab. Okay, so now we can say that we can conclude that reading 1 is the best reading. Thank you.